Hi, I'm Jen Long, Creative Director at Sizzix, and I'm here to share our new accessory sticky grid sheets. Sticky grid sheets create an all-over adhesive on your cutting pad that's perfect for aligning dies. I'm going to show you how these work. This is how it looks, and you're just going to adhere this onto your cutting pad. There's adhesive on both sides of this sheet. So if I lay down my cutting pad, and I'm just going to peel up this very first side, and you peel it right off. And this has adhesive on it. You're simply going to place this right onto your cutting pad. Now I like to take another cutting pad and just smooth it right on top to make sure that it is stuck down. And then you are going to peel back the second sheet. And this has given you an all-over adhesive surface that dies will stick to. Your paper will not. So it's the perfect tool for using dies and paper and aligning them. And you can see by the grid here how nice it is to align maybe an alphabet or a tag shape up. So let's take a look at how this would work. You can see here that I've already placed a framelit circle die, but I'm going to go ahead and place another framelit circle die inside that. And you're going to see how that gives us a really unique ring shape. And I've already placed my tag shape here. I've used my grid to align it so I know that it's straight. And I'm starting to align my letters at the bottom here. And I've spelled out the word cute. I'm just missing my E. So I'm going to place that right here so you can see how easily those go down. And I'm actually going to pick up my cutting pad and kind of turn it over so you can see that those dies are perfectly in place. That's not going to go anywhere. Now I am all set to cut this out. I'm using my multi-purpose platform. That's going to be my base cutting pad. I'm going to put my surface, finish my Sizzix sandwich, and we're just going to run this right through our Big Shot machine. That cracking sound is totally normal. See how easily that paper just peels right off there. And we remove all of our paper letters here and look at, we've perfectly made the word cute line up inside of this tag. We look over here at the circle framelits. Look at this unique, nice ring shape that we made just by aligning those two framelits in there perfectly. Let's take a look at how we would use these in some projects though. In this card here, you can see where we use the ring shape to create this nice green border. And we used it as well to align joy inside of this framelit shape. And then for our tag, you can see what a cute little tag this makes, and it's the perfect opportunity to make a little shaker card. And again, just great for aligning letters perfectly in general. Now our sticky grid comes in two different sizes. We have one size that I just showed you, and that works perfectly on your standard cutting pads. We've also created a smaller size to work with your Sidekick. So it has the same double-sided adhesive, the same grid, just a smaller size that works perfectly on your Sidekick cutting pads. Sticky Grids is the perfect tool for aligning all of your dies from Sizzix.